Hey guys, a video on Intel is gonna be a trick one because I'm changing my whole count. I think it's earnings day tomorrow, and yeah. First of all, let's see what's on the chart. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in a wave 1. This wave 2 is very shallow. I don't like that. Okay, then another 1, 2, secondary 1 and secondary 2. Look at how large this wave 2 is compared to this wave 2. This is a smaller degree, but it's massive compared to this one. Okay, then if this is your 1, 2 and this is your third wave, we didn't reach this box, okay, which I wanted to reach minimally with a third wave. Also, the internal labeling looks complete here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it's starting to move down here. Okay, with that we have on the daily, no, on the weekly, and also on the daily you can see it, higher highs on lower volume. Okay, you want in your wave 3 the volume to increase. I assume tomorrow we will have some volume with the earnings catalyst. Okay, so we will get the volume, but what I'm gonna do is, because in my opinion the risk is still high here. Okay, we're also approaching, look, all-time high territory. I expect some resistance here. Okay, I don't expect us to push through here at once. This is a, yeah, 2000, the year 2000 and then 2020. We've been below this for 25, 26 years. Don't think we're gonna break above that with just one earnings report. Okay, we will test it maybe, but we already did kind of test it. Okay, we're in the zone, as you can see. So I'm gonna keep this view of risk is high until we can, yeah, move very confidently above this all-time high, so above this box. Okay, and with confidently I mean closing above that on the 4-hourly, on the daily, on the weekly. Okay, so at 76.23. Now what I'm gonna do then, yeah, it's a psychological level as well. Okay, psychological, not psi. So yeah, lower volume. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna delete first of all of this. Oh fuck, no, not you, dude. Yep, move this here, move this here, move this here, move this here, move this here. So I'm turning locally bearish. Okay, not long term. If you have positions from here, you don't need to worry. I'm just saying this might do this first before doing that, before doing this. Okay, that was some Dutch there, but like I'm not turning bearish. Okay, just locally saying risk is high and I'm leaning towards a sell-off after earnings. Of course I might be proven wrong and then I'm gonna shift back to what we had already on the chart. For now I'm just more leaning towards this. And then 1, 2, okay, 1, 2, 3, ABC in a way 4, 5, 4, 5. Consistently lower volume on your 4, 5s and bearish divergence. On the weekly, okay, we don't have it in this one. That's maybe one contra indication. Okay, also not on the daily. As you can see, we make a higher high here without bearish divergence. So in a way 5, I like to see bearish divergence. We don't have that. Okay, so I might be like, its probabilities are, if I have to give probabilities, personally I'm leaning more towards like maybe 75%. I'm leaning towards a sell-off tomorrow after close. Again, if you have positions, what do you want to do? But you can sell half and say, okay, if it pumps, then I have profit with that half, but at least my risk is lower. You can say, fuck it, I don't mind, and I believe in the long term, and probably yes, I'm also leaning towards all-time highs and more price action to the upside in the long term. But then you shouldn't panic if we go down now, tomorrow, or the coming days, weeks. Okay, and this can be then an opportunity to buy again. Finishing the wave 4 here. Like this. Okay, so this is what we were also already struggling with back here. Like, is this your 4? Is this your 5? Okay, but then this has to be the wave 2 that corrects this. Was very shallow. I always said it like this. Then here I was waiting for maybe a deeper correction. We didn't get it. We got this instead. But as you can see here on very low volume as well. Okay. Obviously, tomorrow we will get a spike, I think. Maybe after hours. But then what I'm going to do is pull fips from the low to the high for wave 2 here. Okay. And as you can see, yeah, your golden ratio and 0.5 are here at 30 to 35. Do I think we're gonna get there? I don't think so. We have a very large range here and here, with both the point of controls at 37 and 45. Gonna remove this, and then we have the first fib here at 51. So I'm maybe more leaning towards maybe this zone. I would be happy with reaching this, okay? And then from here, go up, okay? Do this in a clear 3-wave move maybe, with an 8-6 hit here. Would give me even more confidence that I'm on the right path here. And yeah, that's it. So not turning bearish, just locally. For me, the risk is here high. I've been saying it for a while, I know, and it proved me wrong here with this move. But I think I got the labeling maybe wrong. Let's see, tomorrow I might be looking like a fool, or I might be looking like a legend, I guess. I'll keep you updated. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.